I'm feeling like the Mediterranean today, like some nice warm sunshine, maybe having a nice piece of fish somewhere in a cafe and watching people. That's sort of what I feel today. So we're going to do a nice fish fillet Mediterranean style. Hi, I'm Monika here with Fearless Cooking. Let's get this show on the road. So I have here some catfish fillets. These are beautiful actually. All the bones have been, they hardly have any bones as it to begin with. There are two sides to it. This is where what the skin would be. We're starting on this. And basically we're going to this very simple, it's Meunier style, which means Miller style. But in reality, I'm not putting any flour on it. I'm going to put breadcrumbs on it. And the reason for this being is I like a crispy fish, a crispy crust on my fish. So I'm put a little bit of mustard. I got Dijon mustard, which already has a lot of aromatics in it, and it's just beautiful. So then I have here some breadcrumbs. I'm gonna just put these breadcrumbs on top here. I'm only doing one side, that's all we need. I'm gonna pat this down a bit. The problem is when you just put flour on, it doesn't get as crispy as I like it to be. Of course you can put flour on, but there's flour already here in the breadcrumbs. So even if you're using gluten-free ones, it's still flour in there. Okay, all we need to do is get our frying pan hot. So I can see all the bubbles going around. Use a wooden spoon if you don't have any chopsticks, and then your oil is hot. That's what that tells you. So I'm putting this in the hot oil. Still gonna get some of that. Just put it away from you. Your oil has to be hot when you put it in. And then I'm just gonna turn it down a bit. I'm gonna let these steep. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on top. We're going to make some tabuli salad with it, which is very Mediterranean. And what I have here is some parsley, mint, some onions, and garlic. That in here, mix that up. Tabuli is actually burger, not a burglar, but a burglar. Wheat. And you don't have to do anything. If you buy the packages that you get in the grocery store, all you have to do is put some cold water on it. You'll suck it all up. Our fish is still good. Don't touch it. It's like a steak. Do not touch it. You see, it's not going to stick, or we're hoping it's not going to stick on one side. I also have here some tomatoes cut up and some cucumber. Then I put a little bit of salt on it and put it in the strainer. Get all the water out. Basically, you don't want it to be... I think my bowl is too small for this. So that bowl is a little bit better for me to work in there. I'm not going to put any salt in there because I already have salt. I'm going to put in some lemon juice. Make sure you roll your lemon before you squeeze it. You get a lot more out of it. Put some lemon juice in here and a little bit more. And all we need is some oil. That is a nice, beautiful Mediterranean salad. Garlic, of course, is important. I already put that in. We're going to mix this up. So we're going to turn this guy over now. Ah, beautiful. Now we're going to give this only one or two more minutes. That's all you really need. You want your fish to be not overcooked at all. But what we're going to do now is add a little bit of butter. Butter makes everything better, as we know. Butter on top. That's just about all we need. Take that off now. Okay. Look at this. Nice. I love this. Look at that. That one is not so bad, but this one is beautiful. And what I'm going to do with the sauce here, I'm going to put a little bit more butter in here, and I'm also going to put some rough parsley in here, just like that. I'm going to just put a little bit of lemon on top here. And there we have it. Just a simple little butter sauce, all natural. Some lovely spices and herbs here. Here's our Mediterranean dinner today. Serving it with tabuli. Fabulous Mediterranean meal today because we felt like summer somewhere warm with tabuli salad. Done in just a few minutes. Use some breadcrumbs and some herbs. That is just about all you need to do. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You would really help our channel grow more and more and more. Just share as much as you can. Remember to be fearless in your kitchen.